Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about collision in wireless networks and CSMA CA protocol. In a wireless network, a collision is the result of two devices on the same wireless network attempting to transmit data at exactly the same time. The network detects the collision of two transmitted packets and discards both of them. Collisions are a natural occurrence on networks. To understand the concept, when a group of people is conversing, if one person wants to speak and if nobody else is talking, the person simply begins to speak. If someone else is talking, the person waits for him or her to finish. However, it is possible that two people begin to speak at the same time. Technically, this situation is called a collision. They would both realize immediately that they are interfering with each other, would stop talking and wait for a random period before starting again. Eventually, one person would begin speaking again before the other and gain the flow. In networks, if the collision occurs, the transmitting nodes cannot detect it. This is because the nodes in a wireless network cannot listen while transmitting. For wireless networks, strategies are adopted that avoid collision rather than detecting it. The wireless networks implement it using a special protocol called CSMA CA protocol. Wired networks used collision detection methods such as CSMA CD protocol. CSMA CA, which stands for Carrier Sense Multiple Access Collision Avoidance. This is the access method that is used in wireless networks. Let us discuss the basic working principle of CSMA CA. In CSMA CA, as soon as a node receives a data packet is to be sent, it checks the channel is clear or no other node is transmitting at the time. If the channel is not clear, the node waits for a randomly chosen period of time and then checks again to see if the channel is clear. This period of time is known as backoff factor and is counted down by a backoff counter. If the channel is clear, when the backoff counter reaches 0, the node transmits the packet. If the channel is not clear, when backoff counter is 0, the backoff factor is set again and this process is repeated. There are two versions of CSMA CA. First one, CSMA CA with the acknowledgement method. In this method, as soon as a node transmits data to another node, the receiving node must send an acknowledgement signal called ACK once it has received the data. The ACK signal must reach the sender within a specific time. If the sender node does not receive ACK in specified time, it considers it as a failed transmission and retransmits the data. Second one, CSMA CA with the ready to send clear to send method. In this method, the sender node first sends an RTS signal to its receiver. The receiver confirms its readiness to receive by sending a CTS signal to the sender as well as all other nodes. The sender node, upon receiving a CTS, goes ahead with the transmission. Once the transmission ends, the receiver node sends ACK signal to all nodes. The sender node takes ACK as confirmation of successful transmission. Transmission is over. Now, communication channel is free. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.